What if a classic American muscle car did not retire, but evolved? This is the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle Campervan, a Chevelle that traded the drag strip for the open road without losing its attitude. If you're into wild car concepts, futuristic resto-mods, and vehicles that break every rule, hit subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who still thinks campervans are boring. Up front, the Chevelle Campervan looks angry in the best way possible. The wide stance, full-width blue LED light bar, and quad projector headlights give it a modern, almost cyber muscle face. The carbon fiber hood with aggressive vents instantly tells you this isn't built for slow living, it's built for dominance. From the side, the transformation is unreal. The body stretches into a long shooting brake camper profile while keeping classic Chevelle proportions. The roof extension is clean and factory smooth, not awkward or boxy. Sitting low on massive polished wheels, this van looks more like a supercar wagon than a camper. Carbon fiber side skirts and dark tinted glass keep everything sleek and aggressive. At the rear, the design stays bold and futuristic. A full-width LED taillight bar glows across the tailgate, framing the Chevelle lettering like a digital signature. The carbon fiber diffuser and quad exhaust tips remind you that performance still matters, even in camper form. Under the skin, this concept clearly points to modern muscle power. Think a high-output V8 or a hybrid performance setup with brutal torque, adaptive suspension, and drive modes that let it cruise comfortably or unleash its muscle car soul on demand. Inside, the Chevelle Campervan feels like a luxury flagship. A full-width digital dashboard stretches across the cabin, blending performance data, navigation, and vehicle controls. Premium leather, carbon accents, and ambient blue lighting create a cockpit that feels futuristic, but still rooted in muscle car heritage. The rear living space is designed for comfort, with smart storage, fold-flat seating, and tech-focused convenience. Van life without sacrifice. This concept isn't just about looks. It proves that legendary nameplates like the Chevelle don't have to live in the past. They can evolve into something bold, functional, and completely unexpected. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle Campervan is part muscle car, part luxury cruiser, and part lifestyle machine. And somehow, it all works. Would you road trip this beast, daily drive it, or park it as the ultimate conversation starter? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.